Alrighty guys, big day today. As you can see, I got this huge box next to me. This is canopy number 2. So the first one didn't last. The first one lasted a long time. I got it for 160 bucks. Lasted for about 3 years. Went through a lot. It's been through a lot. So it finally gave way during like a microburst that we had out near the airport. So now I'm basically just on the way to Andrews now to set up the new one with him. So here we go. Hell yeah! Back at Andrews. Haven't seen this girl in a while. Feel bad. Feel like I've neglected her. We're about to do a little time lapse of putting this moth up again because this is take 2. Andrew was here when he saw the other one disintegrate. It was just gone. Which is crazy though, guys, because the anchors in the front are still here. Piece of wire that wraps through here. And basically the wire just gave out. These clamps just let it go. So that sucks, but yeah, see, like this one's still there, good to go. But that's the wire I was talking about, is basically it just let go in the front. So it basically just flipped over going this way and woo! Huh?
Disconnected from this piece.
Oh yeah, it was just see you later. It is what it is. We got another one. I mean, that one lasted 3 years for 160 bucks. So let's see what this one can do. So another thing that we learned is we're gonna add weight to each pole. So there's gonna be, I'm pretty sure there's 4 poles on each side. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're gonna add all, like I have more buckets and we're just gonna fill it up with rocks and then just anchor it down. So there's no way that this thing's gonna flip up. The reason why it was so different when I was at my parents' house was because everything was like, it was enclosed. So I had the house, I had the fence, and then I had the fence. So the only thing that was open was here in the back, and that rarely got any wind. So that's why it lasted so long. I mean, but I had it here for a year. We had it here for a year, no problem. So it was just a microburst that caught us, but let's get into it. Version 2.0. Shoot. Right? She's back home, guys. Back at Andrews. This thing is sick. She just made it through the rain, so I'm pumped. This is crazy. We took it on the highway and everything. So she did good. She did good. I'm about to daily this thing. Shoot. I'm about to get her dry now. I don't want to run it in the rain because of that freaking hood scoop. They're back together. They miss each other so much. Oh. You should look at Andrew right now. Look, I was like, what is he doing? Dude, the angles, bro. He knows it. But
So you said you're gonna do at least the stars tiers?
yeah.
What's that?
You're gonna do the stars on yours?
Oh, fuck yeah. I'm just gonna do, my stripes are gonna be different than his.
Yo, I have the stars here. I have the stars here.
Okay.
All right, guys. So we finished up. We got the car back. We got the canopy up. We got the lights in. We anchored her down. We did a whole mess of extra things. We still got to put these on the corners, but that's gonna be another day. But I mean, as of right now, it's sitting pretty. We made a little shelf on me on our little tire rack back there, so now I got like a little workbench. Super pumped about that.
Oh yeah. Got it all. A full workshop now.
Yeah, look at this. look at that. That's a workbench.
Yep.
Full grown man.
Right about sure.
But we got room. I have 4 rows of tires here, and then I still have room for the nose to be covered. So sick. Full working workbench. Canopy, our lights. We anchored everything down. I'm ecstatic. I couldn't have done it without this dude. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for him. So I'm so happy. The girls are back together. I'm pumped. All right, guys, with that being said, our next goal is reaching 5K subscribers. So help us get there. Hit this button right here. Help us get to 5K. And if you guys want to see any how-to videos, click right here. If you guys want to see any drifting videos, click right here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.